Hi, I'm Michael, and you join me today here in Vienna, Austria. We're here in the city for 2 more days. I've already spent yesterday's afternoon in beautiful Prater, which is kind of a park with year-long amusement rides. It's pretty great. But today we're going to Stephansplatz, which is the old city centre, as well as just that surrounding area. So we're going to see the evening star ice cream, probably go to the Opera House area, and then just walk around the streets. I think it's going to be fantastic and a nice way to spend the day. Spending about an hour walking through the street from Prater towards Stephansplatz, I've noticed a highly abundant amount of cyclists as well as scooter users. There's a lot of them, you know. The scooters are great. You can rent them out for 1 year deposit plus 15 cents per minute, and it's such a quicker mode of transport. Right behind me stands the magnificent St. Stephen's Cathedral. A highlight of any visit to Vienna. It's very big, very proud, very loud. The colours are fantastic. It has a nice gold shine. There's courses outside, a lot of tourists. Yeah, if you're in the area, definitely check it out because it looks fantastic. So right now we're in the streets around Stephansplatz, which is the square we were at. It's really nice. You have so many high street shops here, from Geox, Rolex, Swarovski, a lot of beauty shops. You have cafes, you have food places. There's just plenty to go to. This feels like a real town centre, a city centre that's all pretty much pedestrianised. There is delivery vehicles, but these aren't too often, especially in the afternoon. We're enjoying this. There's so much to do, so much to see. We're probably going to grab a bite and then join you as we go a bit north towards the other nice places. If you don't know, right behind me is the Vienna Opera House, a pretty famous place. A lot of huge, massive artists play here. It's meant to be fantastic. Unfortunately, we're not here for a show for 2 reasons. It's a lot of money and we don't really have the time for that. But if you're here for more than a few days, or if you really love opera, I highly recommend it. It's on top of people's must-see things. If you've never been in Austria or Vienna, let me give you a few facts. It's a massive city, but the inside area is all in walking distance. From Prater to around the city centre is around 15 minutes. Brilliant. They speak German here, but a lot of the shops, the tourist places, understand English. And also, they accept euros. Prices are slightly inflated, but are very comparable to very popular cities like Paris, Berlin. And it's all good. I feel very safe here. There's a lot of pedestrians, there's a lot of cyclists. It just feels like a nice, safe place to be. I like it quite a bit. Currently we are in Karlsplatz. Not 100% sure on the history of this place, but it seems super tranquil, really friendly, you know, for people, for families. It's really nice for that. So there's a lot of benches, a lot of seating. I like that quite a bit. You have room to just relax. And it's also very, very fancy. You have this massive structure which is phenomenal. It looks really good. And also one of the metro stations is right here at Karlsplatz, and it's a few minutes walk from the Vienna Opera House. Right in the middle of Nashmark, we picked up some fortune cookies as well as nice incense.
Crap. Okay. You will be very surprised.
No idea what my one reads, but I'm going to find out a bit later and let you know. It's really nice here. Food is delicious. You have a lot of choice, and yeah, it's all positive vibes. So hi, giving you a big rundown of what happened until this point. It's currently turning 2:30 p.m, but we've done so much. We went shopping in the northwest side of Vienna and it was fantastic. Then we went into the more regular shops such as Saturn, a hiking store as well. And I picked up a few hardware bits and bobs. It was really good. Prices are reasonable. People are so nice. We also got some food as well. It's been fantastic so far. Then after that, I thought it'd be nice to have a bit of a break, so we went to Veganista. I had some lovely ice cream. It was matcha flavored. But now, I'm standing here with the Natural History Museum right behind me, this big building. We're going to go inside, check it a bit out, and then go exploring a bit more. Finishing off today's video will be a hike, so stay tuned for that. So this building is so historic. It's over 650 years old and just phenomenal. We're walking right past and going right to the hike because we're running low on time, but it's a looker. I'm right here in front of Schönbrunn, a beautiful palace in the west side of Vienna. This palace is actually the summer home of the Empress of Vienna. It's beautiful. It has a huge property, there's a massive zoo on it, and there's also a nice viewpoint with this old castle. A lot of these exhibits do cost money, like to get a small garden, the beautiful one, or visiting the inside of the castle, but if you just want to walk around and just sightsee, sit on the bench, it's absolutely free, and I highly recommend that. The view from the other side, from the backside of this massive building, is really good as well, so I'm going to hit that up now. Let's check it out though.
I miss your strong embrace. I want to believe we have.
We're just walking through the amazing back garden of this palace, and it's beautiful. There's so much vegetation, so many plants. You can't walk on the grass, but that's fine. Now we're going a bit further back towards the Gloriette, which is kind of the old castle, and from there apparently there's a really nice view of the city. I'll have to see for myself, but if that's true, it's gonna be a fantastic way to spend the day.
Where the maze is?
As I said, castle, look in there, there's a maze. You have to pay a few euro, it's not a lot, and there's the entrance to the zoo, and the zoo is massive, and most people recommend that you spend a full day there. And right behind me is the Gloriette, the one I just mentioned.
Our hearts escape. I need you here with me. You see it on my face. I know that when our heartbeats run, troubles will be overcome. When are you coming back? I miss your strong embrace. I want to believe we have a chance to let our hearts escape. I need you here with me. You see it on my face. I know that when our heartbeats run, troubles will be overcome. When are you coming back? I miss your strong embrace. I want to believe we have a chance to let our hearts escape.
Reaching to the top of this hill has been so worth it. It was maybe a 15-minute walk from the bottom to the top. That's from the very back of the palace to the top of the Gloriette. It's not far at all. It's a nice hill. It's not too stressful. You're not going to wear yourself out. and the view is just phenomenal. One thing to note is as we look down to this side, that side of the Schönebrunn is an amazing hike called Karlberg. We're going to go there, see the sunset, and it'll be really good. I'm probably going to change it on top because it's getting warm, and that'll be the end of the day. This pass has been fantastic though. Oh my god, Vienna, you have been wonderful.
And know that when our heartbeats run, troubles will be overcome. Embrace,
Embrace, I miss your strong embrace.
I want to believe we have chance to let our hearts escape. Embrace,
Embrace,
you see it on my face.